Hello learners, welcome back to 130 Prepositions. This video contains Prepositions Set 7. Question number 61 to 70. Their answers with reasons and Hindi meaning also. So let's start the video.
"61. You are acting dash my order. On against. 62. Do not speak ill of a person dash his back, of behind. 63. Do not live dash your means, beyond above. She is deficient dash courage. 65. He was trembling dash fear, with. 66. The discussion rest dash you, with on. It is dash the power of medicine to cure him. Above 68. Smoking is a habit dash many people. Of with. 69. I am dash you on this point. What is the time dash your watch? Here are the answers with reasons and their meanings in Hindi, numbered from 61 to 70. 61. You are acting against my order, against. Reason. The phrase acting against means to act in opposition to something. Hindi. Tum mere aadesh ke khilaf kaam kar rahe ho. 62. Do not speak ill of a person behind his back. Behind. The phrase behind his back means to say something about someone without their knowledge, often something negative. Hindi. किसी व्यक्ति के पीछे उसकी बुराई मत करो. Do not live beyond your means. Reason. The phrase beyond your means means to spend more money than one can afford. अपनी औकात से अधिक मत खर्च करो. She is deficient in courage. The phrase deficient in means lacking in some quality or element. उसमें साहस की कमी है. 65. He was trembling with fear. Reason. The phrase trembling with means shaking due to a strong emotion such as fear. Hindi. वह डर से कांप रहा था. 66. The discussion rests with you. Reason. Rests with means depends on or is the responsibility of someone. चर्चा तुम्हारे ऊपर निर्भर करती है. It is beyond the power of medicine to cure him. The phrase beyond the power means outside the capability or ability of something. Hindi. उसे ठीक करना दवाओं की शक्ति से परे है. 68. Smoking is a habit with many people. With reason. The phrase habit with is used to indicate that many people have this habit. Hindi. धूम्रपान कई लोगों की आदत है. 69. I am with you on this point. Reason. This with you means in agreement or support of someone. इस मुद्दे पर मैं तुम्हारे साथ हूँ. What is the time by your watch? Reason. The phrase by your watch means according to the time shown on your watch. तुम्हारी घड़ी में क्या समय हो रहा है?
Thank you for your continued support and interest. Keep watching, and I hope this will help you clear your grammar concepts. Please let us know if this content helps you by leaving a comment. Stay tuned for more helpful content on our YouTube channel. Happy learning! Wait for the next video.